Right, Sanju Samson joins us. Bit tricky, was it, Sanju, the surface when you won the toss and chose to bat? Did you think it was this kind of surface, or were you aiming for much more?
Maybe a little bit more actually, not this kind of wicket. I think we were expecting a bit touch better, but I think, as you rightly said, I think I'm just hearing you, or maybe Harshan telling that we are 10-15 runs short. I think it's not a 140 kind of a wicket, like maybe 160 with the batting lineup we have, with the power we have. I think we should have easily got above 160. I think, yeah, that's where I think we lost the game.
Those wickets that you lost, it meant that you had to get a batting impact sub out. Ideally, you'd have preferred that impact sub to be one of the bowlers, wouldn't you?
Yeah, ideally, yes. I think it would have been nicer to have one more bowling option. I think it gets a bit tough when you have five, but I think I'm used to it. I think from last 3 years, we have been kind of having five bowlers throughout the tournament. So I think I'm getting used to it, and we have some quality five bowlers, so it actually doesn't affect much.
3 days now here in Guwahati to turn this streak around. It's not the kind of streak you want at the end, so it could be easy looking at that streak. What are your thoughts in the immediate future of this result?
I think, to be very honest, I think we have to sit back and actually accept that we have actually going through some failures. I think we definitely have to accept when we have lost 4 in a row. We have to find out what's actually not working well as a team. I think when you're getting at the business end of the tournament, I think someone has to raise the finger up and say that I'm going to win it for the team. So we definitely have a lot of match winners in the team. So it's just about showing that right character and having that passion about going there and winning the game single-handedly. So if all of us try to do that, I think we can end up having a couple of them do it and win the game. Actually, it's definitely a team sport, but I think this is the time when we need some characters coming up and saying that we are going to do it for the team.
Sanju, W here, if you had to pinpoint one particular aspect that you need to do better, what would that be?
Sir, I think scoring a bit more runs. I think we actually knew that this kind of a wicket, I think it's not a high-scoring ground, so we knew it will be a bit on the slow side. So we thought something around 160, 170. I think definitely focusing on how to get that partnership going. I think when these kind of wickets, I think we're not used to playing these kinds of wicket in this season of IPL, where I think 200, 220s have been scored. So we have to play some more smart cricket. I think focus on a bit more basics and build those partnership and build that momentum and hit those boundaries here and there when needed. Actually,
the good thing is you now know how this kind of track plays when you get to play KKR in the next 3 days. Hope that result goes well for you.
Yeah, hopefully.
Cheers. Thank you, Sanju.
Thank you.